Hello, this is Holly Metzger-Brown. I'm excited to learn a little bit more about assessing. And my educational background, I have my master's in teacher and leadership education. I am a youth fitness director at a York Jewish Community Center in Pennsylvania. I am also a tennis coach and I teach private lessons to areas in my community. I've been teaching, coaching, training for over a decade. I was motivated to continue the ABA program, not only to provide extra services at the JCC, but also start implementing ABA through sports and fitness training. I expect to get out of this course a little bit more of how to train other teachers that I supervise, parents whom I work with, teaching their children, and other things I would like to learn is continuing the assessing and data tracking. Thanks.